Welcome to E-BookBeast training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create a done-for-you site using E-BookBeast. Click on Create Site. And you will be on Create Site page. Now fill the required details like subdomain name of your choice, description of your site. Once you fill all the details and click on Submit button, then your done-for-you site is ready. You can see many options here. Once you choose Site Settings option, you can edit your created site settings. You can set up all your required details here related to your site. You can add logo and favicons of your website here. You can add SEO related details here like meta title, meta description, tags, etc. You can add UFB pixels or Google Pixels script here. If you want to add live chat option on your sites, then you can add live chat script also here. You can collected your site's analytics data directly into your Google Analytics by adding the script here. You can add any third-party script also here based on your requirement. You can run Amazon ads on your site from here by adding Amazon ads script. You can manage site's social media links, footer content also from here. You can enable or disable pop-up on your sites from here. And you can also set the time of pop-up from here. There is also slider title, subtitle of site main slider, which you can edit here. You can share your website on our vast variety of platforms by clicking on Share option. And your site will be shared on your desired platform. Thanks for watching video.